Hello folks, today I'm going to show you a video for a 2015 Forest River FR3. I believe the model number is 30DS. We'll verify that when we get closer. Nice clean coach, straight body, power awning. Let's see, yep, 30DS is the model number. Outside TV. Very good tires. They look like brand new. And see this very nice storage area. This unit has a 30 amp service and one air conditioner, but it's a big air conditioner. It's an equivalent of 18,000 BTUs. This is a dump station with outside shower. More storage. Generator doors. Side cameras. This of course is on the V10 Ford, which everything else is on these days. Okay, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to give you a visual. This sofa here makes into a big bed. It's a complete pull-out. See that? But at the same time, it is a, see that? It's a recliner. So it's pretty cool. You just gotta have to trick it in and out. Very nice horseshoe looking dinette. Storage underneath the dinette. And if I go back the other way, very decent countertop for the kitchen. That's a big 21-inch oven, not the small 17. There's a television here that goes up. Oops, I gotta untie it. There we go. There we go. Opened up. DVD behind it. And standard refrigerator. As we walk through, there's of course a door here that closes for privacy, but it's a split bath. So first you get the shower, which is bigger than usual. It's 30 by, looks like 36. And the bathroom is, let me see if I can get a light. Here we go. Good counter space. Storage. I'm not sure what kind of towel rack this is. And of course there's a mirror. Now this door got a little latch here. See that latch right there? And that little gizmo here goes in that latch and makes that into a master. So let me close that and go to this very big king bed. And lots of storage. TV in the bedroom, sorry. Big window in the back. This is the ladder. We just left it on the bed for now, but that's the one for the bunk above. The driver's seat, which is right here. That's power, of course. The buttons for it are right here, up and down. And the seats are very decent. Nice dash, 3 cameras, auto leveling system. It has 34,000 miles. And it's got a shade that goes down. That's pretty cool. It also has the side shades. They're not power, but they are not a curtain either. So I will show you. Side shades are right here. They will pull down, pull back up. And that is the 2015 FR3. Low miles, very nice. We are a first come, first served dealership. So please, come on in.